Well, look what the cat dragged in. Just kidding, it's great to see you. Let's dive into today's tech news. First up, Microsoft has finally blocked that sneaky Windows 11 loophole. That clever trick allowed users to bypass the TPM 2.0 requirement, letting people install Windows 11 on unsupported PCs. But guess what? Microsoft patched it up. So if you were thinking of bypassing those strict hardware requirements, you might end up with a non-functional system. But don't worry, there are still other ways to get around it. For now. Next, Procreate is saying a big no to AI. The popular iPad art app has pledged never to integrate generative AI into their tools. CEO Jason Kuda made it clear. They're sticking to traditional methods, and the artist community is loving it. But it's raising questions. When does photo editing stop being about the photo and more about the tech? On the data breach front, NPD finally confirmed their data leak. But they're a bit fuzzy on the details. They claim only 1.3 million people were affected, yet 272 million social security numbers were exposed. It seems like some people might have been born 200 times over, or maybe NPD just needs better security. Quick bits before we go. Intel's Core Ultra. 200 CPUs are leaking all over the place ahead of October. Raspberry Pi is launching a $50 version of the Pi 5 with 2 GB of RAM. And Tesla is hiring trainers for its humanoid robot, Optimus. Yes, the future is here, folks. That's all for today. Catch you next time on Tech Bytes.